babies, you guys know the intro, right? So I'm actually doing a video from Myfirstwig. Of course, this is their Ombre unit. It's 20-inch, and it is a lace frontal, as you can see. So it did already come with the knots bleached, and the frontal was, of course, pre-plucked. I'm actually just going to be showing you how I put some really quick loose curls in the hair. I did not layer it or anything like that. I'm actually going to be taking a I think it was 1.5 or either 1 3/4 of an inch curling iron. I actually got this for like $20 at Walmart. You don't have to use anything fancy, and I'm literally just going to be curling the hair up. So as you can see, they've done like this really nice ombre color. When I say ombre, it's more so going from the dark roots to like this nice reddish brown color, as you can see. And I mean, the hair looks really nice and pretty. I did not get too much shedding. Now for the insulation of this, of course, and when I say too much shedding, I did kind of get some shedding, but it wasn't anything that was like not manageable. It was definitely something I can work with. But as far as the insulation goes, I did go ahead and actually pull my hair back into like a low ponytail. Y'all, my hair was literally like in an afro before this, but anywho, pull my hair into a little ponytail, and then of course I just put on a wig cap and literally applied the wig with some Gotta Be Glue spray. So if you guys are not familiar with how to install wigs using just the hairspray itself, literally you can install your hair in, I'm gonna say, like maybe less than 10 minutes. Maybe I should do a video and time it just to see how fast I can do it, but y'all, literally no joke. I didn't even cut like baby hair and all that extra stuff into this wig because like I said, it already came pre-plucked, so that made it really easy to deal with. And yeah, pretty much from there, all that I'm doing now, like I said, is curling it. I will not be cutting this hair at all. It was only a 20-inch anyway, and so I do think that I'm probably going to do some like blonde highlights, which I think I briefly talk about that at the end of the video. But yeah, as you can see, I mean, I did not do like anything special with the cap like usual, where I go ahead and lay it down the cap and, you know, use the hairspray to kind of cut out the cap and all that. No, I literally just put on a wig cap. I think I put a little foundation on it and literally just put on the wig. Like, that was literally it. So really quick. It did come with 3 to 4 different combs. It is adjustable, so of course the back of it is really adjustable. If you guys have never ordered from Myfirstwig before, they give you a wig stand, they give you a wig bag to actually store your wig, and then of course a comb, clips, bobby pins, an elastic band, literally everything you're gonna need to get jump started on your wig. So I never end up needing all of that stuff, probably just because the way that I install my wigs is very simple. But if you're someone that does not want to tack it down, these units are glueless. What that pretty much means is there are combs on both sides of the frontal part and in the back, to where you can literally just use those to lay the hair down, and you don't really have to do much to it. So like I said, the knots already came bleached, and you can see the roots like here. If you look really closely, you can actually see where my cap was, so that shows you that I did not put any effort into this at all as far as putting on the wig. I just wanted to do a really quick install and kind of treat it like one of I guess someone that was actually purchasing this hair would do, right? So it's the first time using a wig, not really sure what to do about it. I wanted to see what that felt like. So this is my rendition of that. And then yeah, these are pretty much the curls. So as you can see, just really loose waterfall curls. So nothing too crazy. Of course, they're gonna fall into like a loose body wave, and I did go ahead and brush them out. I did not have to put any product on the hair. It was really soft, and the density of this was not too thick. In my opinion, it would have been the equivalent of maybe 1 frontal and about 2 bundles. So maybe max 2.5 bundles, which you can totally get away with. Me, I tend to stuff 3 to 3.5 bundles, just depends on how I feel. So this came out really nice. As you can see, it has a nice luster, and although they did go ahead and bleach the hair, it is not rough at all. Now what I will say is, when I got the unit, it did smell like hair color. So as long as that doesn't bother you, then you should be okay. If you do ever get the hair and it feels like there's product buildup on it, more than likely it's a conditioner that they use. So in this case, that's exactly what happened with this unit, which I still didn't even wash it even with that on it. It was just like this, some type of residue feel that I felt, but it wasn't too bad. So if you're good with that, then you're good with me. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Alright babes, I hope you guys enjoyed the really quick tutorial. This hair is freaking bomb. It feels really silky smooth, and as you can see, it does have really nice highlights here, so I definitely appreciate that. I'm actually considering maybe putting some highlights in it. You guys, let me know how you feel about it, because this is like a really nice rustic perfect fall colors. Do y'all see this? Like, yeah. So really cute. You guys did a really good job on this unit. I love you guys so much. Please leave any comments or questions down below. If you guys need any details about the wig, it will be listed in my description box, of course, and then the cap size and things like that. So all of that will be there. And so far so good. I mean, this is just like my initial look at the wig, but it is on sale currently, so definitely make sure that you check that out. Like I said, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.